Fenistil gel. The active ingredient in Fenistil, dimetindene maleate, is an antihistamine. Fenistil gel available in 20 grams, 30 grams, 50 grams, and 100 grams. Medical uses of Fenistil gel. Use Fenistil gel for skin itch, pruritus associated with skin reactions. 2. Pruritus is a medical term that means itching. 1. Insect bites. 2. Superficial burns. 3. Sunburn. For skin rashes, dermatosis. 5. Hives, urticaria. How to use Fenistil gel. Apply to 2-4 times daily to affected area for up to 7 days. Fenistil gel is suitable for adults and children. Fenistil gel penetrates rapidly into the skin, is free of alcohol, perfume, and colorants, and is suitable for children and adults. Contraindications. Hypersensitivity to any of the ingredients in Fenistil gel. Use on broken or infected skin. Use in children under 1 year of age.